Okay, now that was a bit of surprise. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. You guys saw the video's title, right? Sony has sent us their all new shotgun microphone. The model is ECM-B10. This was like recently launched in India and was like made specially for like Sony cameras. This is not your regular shotgun microphone, guys. It's a digital shotgun microphone. That means the whole signal processing happens like digitally, guys. It's got like a digital audio interface and can record audio up to like 16-bit 48 kilohertz, like top notch premium quality sound without any degradation. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. Not only that, it also has like a lot of other features as well, like you can change the polar pickup pattern on it, and it also has like a dedicated noise cancellation mode and plenty of other features. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So a brand new shotgun microphone from Sony comes in this sort of box packaging, very compact and small packaging, guys. Model we'll be checking out today is ECM-B10. It was like recently launched in the Indian market, and best part about it is this is not your regular shotgun microphone. It's a digital shotgun microphone and has like a digital audio interface and connects to your camera using multi-interface shoe. It's widely compatible with a lot of Sony cameras. We'll talk about that in a moment. And apart from that, guys, if you talk about the other features, well, the mic offers like a couple of different polar pickup patterns. You can switch between them like on the go. You have like a hypercardioid super directional mode available, and then you have a unidirectional polar pickup, and this one is your omnidirectional pickup pattern. So depending on your requirement, you can set it to different modes and keep using the microphone. We'll talk about that as and how we proceed in the video. And that is pretty much it. There's nothing much written on the box packaging, so let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the package, and as soon as you open it, we've got some paperwork over here. Looks like user manual and stuff. Just make sure to read that. And the microphone comes nicely packed in this pouch, and that's it. There's nothing else in the package. Quality of the bag looks pretty nice. You got the Sony branding and has a velvety sort of feel, guys. Definitely feels good, and it's like pretty easy to carry a microphone anywhere. And there you go, boys, our brand new shotgun digital microphone from Sony. Oh my god, look at this thing. It's so compact, right? And also quite portable. And we'll just come back to this in a moment. Along with that, you also get a dead cat for the microphone. You can call it like a windscreen, wind cut filter, anything, whatever you want. Quality definitely looks pretty nice. It's like just slip on, add it to the microphone, and bam, use it. And that's it, guys. This is a mic we'll be checking today in this video. And boy, look at the design. Very unique design, I can say. It's like quite compact and super lightweight, and it's only around like 3.13 inches in length, guys. So benefit of having a compact microphone is even if you're using like an ultra wide angle lens on the camera, microphone doesn't appear in the frame. Plus, it's also like super convenient when you're using the camera on a gimbal. You've got the Sony branding over here. Build quality of the microphone looks quite nice because it's a premium category product, right? And you've got lots of options and switches at the backside. Look at this. You can directly switch the pickup polar pattern from over here. As I've told you, you've got hypercardioid, cardioid, and also omnidirectional. Attenuation is also there, 0 dB, 10 dB, 20 dB, and you can even switch the audio level from manual to auto as per your requirement. To the left, you've got digital and analog processing. As I've told you guys, B10 is like a digital shotgun microphone. That means it's got like a digital audio interface and can save audio in up to 48 kilohertz 16-bit, guys, like extremely high quality without any sort of degradation. So it's like widely compatible with the recent cameras, for example Sony A7 IV and stuff like that. Not to worry, if your camera doesn't support digital, then you also have like an analog mode available. Just push it to analog mode, and then it will be compatible with your old generation cameras, maybe like Sony's A6400 and models like that. And here's how the bottom side looks like. This is what I was talking about, guys. The MI shoe interface, it's like digital. Look at these contacts over here, and because of this reason, this particular microphone is only compatible with Sony cameras, guys. But main benefit is it's like cable free operation. You don't need to connect any sort of cable. Just plug it into your camera's hot shoe, and that's it, you're good to go. Second thing is it's like battery free operation. You don't even need to insert any batteries or worry about your battery level going down. Talking about the mount, as you can see, microphone also has like a shock absorbing mount on the bottom side. So this basically used to reduce any sort of body noise or any sort of noise that happens when you're moving with the camera or stuff like that. and that is pretty much it. And looks like there's something under this flap. Let me just open it and show you. Okay, there's a micro USB port over here. I wonder it's for the firmware update and stuff, guys. And that's it, our complete overview on the microphone. At the top is where you got the 4 microphone capsules which work together and record in like different polar patterns. So it all happens digitally, guys. We'll talk about all of that and check out the performance in a moment. But first, let me just put it on my camera and show you how it looks like. So guys, I'm back to continue this video. I've been using Sony's new B10 shotgun microphone since the last 3 weeks, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. There's a lot I have to talk about, and I'll also be showing you all of its different polar pattern modes and all of its features in this video. Make sure to watch it till the end. So first of all, let me tell you about the usability and basically how to connect it to the camera. It's very simple, guys, just like plug and play, because as I've told you, B10 shotgun microphone is a digital microphone and basically has like a digital audio interface. It's got those digital contacts on the bottom, right? You just need to slide it on a MI shoe on your Sony camera, and that is it. Just power on your camera and microphone automatically powers on and starts recording. There are no cables to be connected. That's the best part. And one more great advantage is you don't need to worry about microphone's battery, because there is no built-in battery in this thing. It runs on your camera's battery only. So if you've got like a brand new Sony a7 IV right now, right, you can use this microphone in digital mode where it records all the audio in like super high quality, guys, 16-bit 48 kilohertz, that too without any sort of degradation, and you can expect like top-notch audio performance in your videos. There's also a special analog mode available as well, because a lot of people have like old generation Sony cameras, maybe like A6400 and stuff like that. Their digital doesn't work, so there you can just simply switch it to the analog mode and still keep using the microphone. I'll show you the difference between digital and analog as well at a later part. Right now the mode that you're hearing is in digital only, and we are recording the audio in 16-bit 48 kilohertz. Hello, check 1 2 3. How's the audio quality, guys? Let me know your thought on the audio quality in the comment section down below. And the pickup pattern it is set to right now is like super directional, which is like hypercardioid, and in this mode it only records audio whichever is in front of the microphone, guys. And if you go behind the microphone, right, pickup is not this strong, and it basically tries to minimize the audio that is coming from the behind. So I'll definitely show you the difference between all of these 3 different polar pickup patterns available on this microphone, and we'll also do like an outdoor test as well. Right now we are in my studio room, right, but I'll definitely go outside in my next clip and I'll show you how the mic picks up environmental ambient noises as well. And you do have an option for noise reduction, so we'll put that to a test as well. So let's quickly do that. What a beautiful day, right? Right now we are in an outdoor situation and basically doing this test to show you how the microphone performs in like outdoor situations. There's a lot of ambient noise, guys. A lot of cars and vehicles are passing by in the streets, so you'll get to know how the microphone picks up background sounds. And there's definitely a bit of wind flowing, and that's why I put like the wind cut foam on the microphone as well, because that is going to help me reduce that wind noise while I'm speaking. And right now the microphone is like recording the audio digitally at like 16-bit 48 kilohertz, so like high quality sound is being recorded on my Sony a7 IV camera, guys. And the polar pickup pattern has been set to like super directional, that to like hypercardioid pattern. So it basically focuses and picks up sound from the front direction only and eliminates all sorts of background noises or environmental sounds from the sides as well as the back side. I'll definitely show you a difference between all the 3 pickup patterns in a moment. And talking about the microphone performance, as I've told you, I've been using this digital shotgun mic from Sony since more than 3 weeks and was like quite happy and satisfied with the results. It was producing like crystal clear sound, guys. Listen to the audio right now. Crispy vocals are there and also decent amount of bass in my sound, right? That is what I am talking about. So now let me just quickly turn the camera around and show you how it picks up in this particular mode. Right now the audio that you're hearing is from the right side of the camera, and now let me just shift it to the left side. Hello, check 1 2 3, and here's how it sounds from the back side, guys. Hello, check 1 2 3. Okay, test number 2. Right now the pickup pattern has set to like cardioid mode, which is like unidirectional. In this mode, microphone picks up audio in like a 180-degree frontal end. That means most of the sound is focused on the front and a little bit from the sides, but nothing has to come from the back side, guys. It tries to reduces everything from the rear end, and this is how the audio on it sounds like. Hello, check 1 2 3. Microphone performance in unidirectional polar pickup pattern, and this is how it sounds like when somebody tries to speak behind the camera, guys. Hello, check 1 2 3. Time for test number 3. Right now the microphone is set to omnidirectional mode. In this mode the mic picks up audio from 360 degrees guys, from all the sides, and this is how it sounds like. Hello, check 1 2 3. So no matter where I speak around the camera, right now I'm behind the camera, it performs and picks up the sound equally from all the sides. So this is how the mic performs in this particular mode. So just like this, you can use any of these 3 polar pickup patterns depending on the scenario and application. For example, you're doing like a group conversation shooting, there you want to record everybody's audio in the camera, there you can use omnidirectional. Or maybe you're doing like a interview kind of stuff, there you can use like unidirectional. Or maybe you just want to like focus on the subject, there just go for like super directional guys, depends on the application. At the beginning, I've told you that the microphone also has like a low cut filter on board, right? So right now I've turned the low cut filter on, and when you enable this, right, microphone tries to cut all sorts of unwanted low frequency sounds, maybe like construction sounds or maybe like vehicle engine sounds in the background, and tries to give you like a clean subject's audio. So it's like super useful guys. I'll also show you the special noise cancellation mode available on this thing, and noise cancellation is used to like completely cut down the ambient sounds and only focus on the subject's audio. Let me just quickly toggle that and show you the difference. Okay, all set. Ambient noise cancellation has been enabled, and this is how the audio on it sounds like. Hello, check 1 2 3. You might immediately feel the difference, right? Suddenly all sorts of ambient noise have been greatly reduced in the background. So this is how it sounds like. So I've been using it, it was doing a good job, but for some reason it kind of feels like artificial guys, but anyways can be useful for a lot of people in different sort of situations. So before I actually got this Sony B10 microphone, right, I used to use a Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. So what I'll do now, I'll just give you like a small comparison between the sound and audio performance on both these microphones. The audio that you're hearing is from Sony's microphone. Now let me just quickly replace that with Rode's Video Mic Pro Plus and show you the difference. And done. Now the audio that you're hearing is from my previous Rode Video Mic Pro Plus shotgun microphone, and here's how it sounds like on my Sony A7M4. Hello, check 1 2 3. Microphone test, Rode microphone. Do let me know what do you think about the audio quality difference between this Rode microphone and Sony's new digital shotgun microphone in the comment section down below. Well, that's it, our video on Sony's all-new digital shotgun microphone, the ECM-B10. Pretty good microphone, guys. Main thing I like about it is how small and compact it is, and also the usability. Very easy to use, just plug and play on the go, guys. No need to connect any cables to the camera. Don't need to worry about battery also, because it works on your camera's battery only. Just power on your camera and mic is also set and good to go. Audio quality was also pretty good. You can record up to like 16-bit 48 kHz audio. Then you've got noise cancellation feature, 3 different polar patterns to choose from, plenty of good features. Only drawback I felt is it works only with Sony cameras here. It doesn't work on other brand models. Anyways, pricing is also like quite affordable if you compare it with Rode's microphone. This one costs around like 18 or 19,000. You'll have to check the link in the description box for the exact pricing details. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.